Hi, everybody. My name is Russell Medley, and this is my program completion commitment timeline. First, looking at my education and employment timeline, in 2007, when I was a sophomore at Emporia State University, I switched to become an education major. In 2011, I graduated from Emporia State and I got my first job teaching physical education at Junction City Middle School, where I taught 6th through 8th grade PE. In 2012, my wife got a job closer to the Topeka area, so this made me look for jobs closer to her. And so I started my new job at St. Mary's Grade School, where I taught K through 6 PE. In 2019, I made the decision to pursue a master's degree for educational administration with some of the leadership opportunities I have gotten at St. Mary's, as well as a push that I kind of got from a lot of my colleagues. I decided that this would be a good next step to take. In 2022, I plan to leave the teaching field for an administrative job if one opens up in my current district. And then in 2054, I plan to retire. Next, looking at my timeline for the different classes I've taken as well as my e-portfolio. In each of these semesters, I've taken two classes, just balancing coaching as well as my teaching responsibilities along with my family. I tried to avoid summers, so just took two classes each semester, and it seemed to be a good workload. I will point out in the spring of 2021, I started my e-portfolio. And then here in spring of 2022, I'm taking two classes along with or one practicum and then another class where I will then also complete my e-portfolio and then graduate in May. That is my timeline. Thank you.